Hello, and my name is Scott Dodson, and today I'm going to present Cornell Ironworks Extreme 1024 Performance Door. This presentation will be broken down into three segments. The first segment would be a product overview. Second will be applications where we have found success with 524 and will see success with 1024. And third will be product comparisons to other performance doors in the marketplace. So let's get started. What is the Extreme 1024 Performance Door? Extreme 1024 is a high-speed, high-cycle door that provides a combination of steel door security, exceptional cycle life, and minimal maintenance unmatched by other performance doors. The 1024 Performance by Design, designed for 1,000,000 cycles, to last 20 times longer than a traditional rolling steel door. Opening speed of 24 inches per second and a closing speed of 12 inches per second. It operates 3 to 4 times faster than traditional rolling steel. This is a 20 psf maximum wind load with a 10 psf maximal operational wind load, built to withstand tougher environmental conditions. It really maintains high level of productivity and reliability when needed. Your UHMW anti-wear strips. Sealing and self-lubricating feature reduces friction and curtain wear and allows operation under wind load. And your anti-wear device prolongs curtain aesthetics and reduces operational noise without being visible to the end user. We've made some upgrades to the anti-wear device with 1024. The straps have widened from 2 inches to 3 inches to further reduce contact stress and operational noise. We also added a spring-loaded chain tensioner to eliminate chances of slack and cycle disturbance. And the spools have been redesigned and are made from even a stronger and more reliable nylon to reduce inertia and improve anti-wear device performance. A springless shaft is standard. This really reduces your maintenance requirements and facilitates cycle capacity. And perimeter sealing, furnished with double brush weather strip for superior sealing and reduction in air infiltration. And just like with 524, your unitized header assembly for quick and easy installation. You have a single slat or insulated slat curtain, and with the insulated curtain it does improve your energy efficiency. Wear resistant high cycle finish. Your Cycle Shield powder coat finish provides a low coefficient of friction and wear resistance for added durability and extends current life. This is available in gray, tan, white, and silver is being reintroduced as standard. You also have optional finishes available: stainless steel, additional RAL colors available in Cycle Shield powder coat, and you also can do it in your basic Spectra Shield or Galvanex finish. Look at the safety and electrical performance of this product. Comes with a UL listed SEW Euro drive. Totally includes fan-cooled NEMA 4. Critical openings require operators that are truly built for continuous duty. And inertia brake is standard for additional safety. It also has a variable frequency drive. Soft start, soft stop feature greatly reduces the wear and stress on the gearbox and operator. Therefore provides longer lasting product to the end user. And we've made some really great advancements as well with the inertia brake. It's the only inertia brake tested for 500,000 cycles. It requires replacement only once during the product's life cycle. And the first replacement brake provided at no charge to the dealer. The inertia brake may be reset. The brake may be reset or may be inspected and put back in operation after a lower force engagement, saving time, money, and handling concerns. One change from 524 to 1024 is the additional inertia brake will be sent to the customer when requested by the dealer. That's just based on the longer change-out of intervals. Your NEMA 4 wall-mounted control panel Same as what you had with 524 will now be the same with 1024. This contains your PLC controller that integrates with advanced activation needs such as floor loops, card readers, motion detectors, etc. Because of that modification to the inertia brake, the interval warning light has changed. It's now going to flash at 500,000 cycles to alert the end user of critical inertia brake maintenance requirements, helping to ensure safety and ongoing performance with the Extreme 1024. As far as entrapment protection devices, your UL325 2010 compliant photo eyes would be your primary, and your UL325 wireless sensing edge would be your secondary entrapment. This makes the 1024 drive and control system the only UL325 2010 compliant performance door on the market. Let's look at some other 1024 advancements. You have your reduced clearance requirements. The upset on average with the 524 product was 8.5 inches. That has been reduced to 6.5 inches with the 1024. Your wireless edge kit receiver is now pre-installed in the control panel. Between jam is now available. Sizing extended to 30 feet maximum width or 20 feet maximum height. Auxiliary hand chain is standard. And you have a more redesigned or robust packaging available as well. So end users have concerns and you have solutions. If visibility is a concern, you can do vision windows. If airflow is needed, you're able to do fenestrated curtain. Activation needs, as in motion detectors, floor loops, pull cords, remote transmitters. Advanced safety, such as light curtains or additional photo eyes. If the environment is an issue, you could do NEMA 4X or NEMA 7.9 operator modifications. You can also do sloped hoods if needed on an exterior mount. And if you have a custom color or a frequently impacted door, rapid response is an option available. The Extreme 1024 comes with an industry-leading 5-year, 1 million cycle warranty. Let's see how this warranty breaks down. You have mechanical components for a period of 5 years or 1 million cycles. Operator and control panel for a period of 5 years or 1 million cycles. And your cycle shield finish for a period of 5 years from the date of shipment against blistering, flaking, or peeling. Now let's talk a little bit about the applications that we've seen really great penetration with 524 and feel that 1024 will have that same success. Automotive dealerships, government, food processing, logistics, distribution, parking, and heavy manufacturing. We've broken these over 4 segments, really to give a key selling feature, a segment that they fit into, and what type of openings. So let's run through the first one. First one being security. What is security? Unwanted entry or protection of property. How does 1024 fit in with a key selling feature? It's a proven combination of steel door security with faster speeds providing upgraded protection. This results in overall greater access control. And these fit types of openings like government, parking, manufacturing, sally ports, and distribution. Energy savings. You reduce the thermal transfer and air exchange. The 1024 speed reduces overall cycle time, resulting in less air exchange from outside elements, especially available in the insulated curtain. And that would be your typical openings like manufacturing, distribution, and food processing is where you would see those. Reliability. You minimize your downtime and reduce maintenance requirements. Key selling feature there is it's proven to cycle over 1 million times and really built for continuous duty. Then, if there happens to be any type of impact to the door, you have ease of maintenance and availability and quick turnaround for parts being slats. Now, what type of openings? Your parking, logistics, distribution, manufacturing, remote locations, and automotive dealerships. and productivity, protect the operation's profitability. Compared to standard rolling steel, your customer's wait time is greatly reduced, and 1024 is compatible to existing or advanced activation systems. And what type of openings are we talking about here? A lot of them are the ones we saw on the previous slide: your parking, logistics, distribution, manufacturing, food processing, and automotive dealerships. So we have two gentlemen here. They really want to know more about the nuts and bolts of the Extreme 1024 Performance Store and how it stacks up with some other performance stores in the market. So let's take a look. Total cost of ownership. Now let's look at the assumptions below. Size of the door, 20 by 14, your standard markup, and the periodic maintenance that is required with the Albany Ultra Secure and the Rytech Spiral product. You can see our product is approximately 30 to 35% less on total cost of ownership, making it a great value for someone that's really looking for a high cycle, high speed door in their opening. Cost per cycle. As you can see, we're greatly lower than our standard rolling steel doors, but also lower than some of the other performance doors in the marketplace. And I think this slide is the most telling in the presentation. As far as against Rytech or an Albany product, you can see where our product is not only a lot cheaper for replacement slats, but in that critical opening where a lot of these performance doors are, the turnaround for slats is half of what other performance products usually average. Profit from your required maintenance. Secure the P&P from your installed 1024 doors to secure additional service revenue, maintain the product warranty, protect the life safety of the building occupants, and ensure customer satisfaction to capture additional sales. We recommend your P&P include a service call performed no later than 3 months after install to evaluate actual cycle usage. What kind of support do we have? We have a quick info product guide, data sheet, an end-user focused parking piece, product benefits video, RFIs are available, specifications, 1024 installation video, and installation instructions, 1024 warranty document, online BIM objects, and submittal docs. End-user focus sales video says it all. This video will not only be on YouTube, it'll be on our Cornell website and on the DRC. And really, it gives a snapshot of this whole presentation in a 2-minute video for your customer to really see the overall benefits of this product, being the Extreme 1024. So what happens to my existing 524 quotes? All existing 524 quotes will be automatically upgraded to 1024 and receive these benefits: the enhanced cycle life, the modified inertia brake, your auxiliary hand chain and packaging, reduced clearances, your upgraded warranty, and the pricing will be held. Start profiting from your Extreme product offering today. Use your arsenal of product knowledge and sales support to promote the advantages of Extreme performance doors in all high-cycle, high-speed applications. Well, thank you for attending. My contact information is listed below. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at any time. Thank you for attending and have a great day.